The A1 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum is designed to provide powerful suction and exceptional edge cleaning, ensuring your pool remains pristine with minimal effort. Equipped with a dual filtration system, this pool vacuum effectively captures dirt and debris, leaving your pool sparkling clean every time. With its advanced fast charging technology, the A1 boasts a quick 2.5 hours charging time and offers an impressive 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. This robotic pool cleaner offers 4 customizable cleaning cycles, allowing you to tailor its operation to your specific needs, ensuring consistent cleanliness. The A1 is incredibly user-friendly, automatically starting the cleaning process once submerged and parking itself near the edge when the battery runs low for easy retrieval. Its intelligent design features, such as top-mounted buttons and an LED display, make the A1 a convenient and flexible choice for pool maintenance.